Hey, it's Preston with Hobo RC. Once again, we're using the for sale on the F-16 Kyle Mirage 2000 with our pusher prop that's available on Colts 3D. Any proceeds we get from these parts we sell on Colts 3D, 100% goes to an needy family. So let's get to it. You can see with the for sale, runs a lot faster, and this is a much larger motor than you normally run, but I wanted to try it. And honestly, I would go with the 2207s, 2208s with a 5-inch prop. This one has a 6 or 7-inch prop. I think it's a 6-inch 3-blade. Has a ton of power with that big motor, a lot of torque. But that's going to make it a little harder for you to hand launch. Just honest, this one has to hand launch at half throttle, so it won't over torque. Wind's beating us down a little bit today. I'm having to do a little trim since the first flight was with a 3S pack. We're going with the wind, which is better that you don't land that way. There you go.